Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll explore some of the most powerful feature of NumPy: assessing elements, slicing arrays, and iterating through them. These are essential skills you need for data analysis and numerical computing in Python. So make sure to watch till the end. In 1D array, elements are accessed using square brackets. Indexing starts at 0. Negative indexing lets you access elements from the end of the array. In 2D arrays, you can access values using row and column. Negative indexes works for rows and columns both. Similarly, elements from three-dimensional array can also be accessed, but involves specifying the depth or block as well. In a 3D array, the data can be thought of organized in a cuboid with layers, rows, and columns. Slicing in NumPy is a powerful technique that allows you to extract a subset or a portion of a NumPy array, whether it's 1D, 2D, or multidimensional array. Slicing is done by specifying a range, and it can be used to create a new array that contains only the desired elements, rows, columns, or subarrays. Let's understand this by slicing 1D and 2D array using an example. The row index 1 corresponds to the row second, which is like the elements 4, 5, and 6. The column index range 1:2. It refers to the column at index 1, which is inclusive, and not index 2, which is exclusive. So it selects the element 5 from the second row. Iteration is a process of going through each element in an array one by one. NumPy makes it very simple to iterate through arrays of any dimension, whether it's 1D, 2D, or even 3D. Let's start by looking at how to iterate over a one-dimensional array and then gradually move to 2D or 3D arrays. And that's it for this tutorial. You have learned how to access, slice, and iterate through NumPy arrays of all shapes and dimensions. These skills form the foundation of a deeper data manipulation in Python. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.